Hi, welcome to Catholic Nest. So I was going to show you today a look inside 5 lovely illustrated read alouds for younger years. So they're obviously an abridged version meant for slightly younger years when they're starting to get into classics. So the first one is Alice in Wonderland, Mabel Lucy Atwell. So this is a really nice one. There's really nice illustrations, just little bits throughout. So also by Mabel Lucy Atwell, Peter Pan and Wendy. I like the artwork in these. The sweet illustrations. And Peter Pan unabridged can get quite dark, I felt, at the time, which is why I then looked for a more childlike version while they were little. And this did the trick nicely. Next one is The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, C.S. Lewis. This was a gift for my eldest when he was younger. He really likes the Narnias now, and has finished the second in the series so far. It's not too long, lovely colourful paintings, a nice overview of the story. The fourth is The Bramley Hedge Treasury by Jill Barklam. Bramley Hedge has always got lovely, cosy little illustrations. My daughter really likes this one. She's 6. There's also really nice DVDs of Bramley Hedge, which we have as well. And last but not least, The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. My boys really enjoyed this when they were little. I think this was from the Works, if I remember right. So there we go. 5 look insides of 5 really nice illustrated read alouds for younger ones. They're starting to get into the classics. Thank you for watching.